This is the Transit Courier Sport. This one's the 1.5 litre TDCI. It's the 100 PS Courier Sport. We'll start on the outside. As you can see, it's in deep impact blue. Very much sought after colour now. Got the sport alloy wheels and the sport stripes. Decals along the side there. Roof rails on the top of the van. Let's move into the van. So you've got the bespoke sports seats and steering wheel. So you've got the red stitching all the way around the steering wheel. Close that. So this one comes with satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Down here is the control for your air conditioning, down there. It's also got media control and hands-free control, as well as voice activation on the steering wheel. Let's hop one out. We'll have one last look at it from the outside. As I said, this is the Transit Courier Sport, deep impact blue, the 1.5 TDCI. It's a manual and 100 PS. If you need any further information on this van or anything else we've got in stock, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.